In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 things that I wish I knew before I started paying for Kajabi. The first thing that I wish I had dialed in before I started paying for Kajabi was my niche and target audience. It's really easy to dive into Kajabi and start wasting a lot of time because there are a lot of different features. There's a lot of things to cover with using the platform, a lot of things that you could do but don't always really need to do. The bottom line is that what's going to make you be successful with Kajabi and just the internet in general and business is really dialing in the type of people that you want to serve. Now, I did make a video on how to create a signature coaching program where I talk a bit more about this, and I'll put it somewhere up here. And I also created a 5-step action guide that walks you through how to earn your first $500 per month of passive income. And the first step that we cover in those 5 steps is identifying your big idea and your target audience. So that is a great resource to help you nail this down before you start investing in Kajabi. To pick up that guide, just go to profityourknowledge.com/guide. There's also a link down in the description. The next thing that I wish I knew about Kajabi before I started paying for it was that products are limited. Now, it is obvious on the pricing plan on how many products you actually get, but I wish I knew that there were workarounds with this. And I actually filmed a video where I walk you through how to work around the 3-product limit, but that can apply as well if you're on the growth plan and you get 15 different products. There are workarounds that you can do. But it's something to be cautious of when you're picking the plan and basing it off the type of business that you have or that you want to have in the future. You can always upgrade to the growth plan from the basic plan where you go from 3 products to 15 products. But in that video, I also show you some ways that you can leverage coaching, for example, offline, how you can bundle different offers together. So I'd highly recommend to check that one out. The next thing I wish I knew was how to properly use order bumps and upsells in Kajabi. And I actually neglected order bumps and upsells for a very long time. Now, inside of Kajabi, you can go over to the sales tab and then click on offers, and you'll have a huge list of different offers that you have. Pick one of them, whichever one you want to add an upsell or an order bump to. And then right up here, you have upsells. From here, you can create an after purchase flow. Now, upsells are an amazing tool to add to your business because when somebody buys a product from you, they're going to automatically be taken to a page where they get one chance to buy something extra. Now, this could be a more expensive product or it can be a lower price product as a quote unquote downsell, but it's just a simple one-time offer that somebody gets after they've already made a purchase and they don't need to put in their credit card information again. It simply just gets added to their order. And I do have another video where I walk you through how to fully set this up. This is just a quick overview. Now, an order bump is a little bit different where you're actually on the main checkout page and down below after they've put in their credit card information, they can add something like a worksheet bundle or an extra lesson or module or something like that. And typically, if it's under $50, that's a good order bump that you can add. Think about an order bump like if you go to get a burger and they say, "Do you want fries with that?" It's something small, it sounds fun, and it's an easy yes. The next thing I wish I knew about Kajabi was just how easy it is to build an online course inside the platform. Now, there is a difficult part to building courses. I know from experience. I built 6 online courses before I made one that sold completely hands-off, and it's the research ahead of time. So when you do proper customer research, and I have many different videos on that topic, you can really find the problems that people actually care about and the products that they're asking for. And when you understand that, building a product inside of Kajabi is incredibly easy. Kajabi walks you through every single step from outlining your course to customizing it to creating your first offer to how many customers you have inside of it, certificates, all the different settings you need, all within one tab. And they walk you through when you build an entire new course, sequentially what to do. They also give you beautiful templates that allow you to change the look and feel of your course. And you can always purchase other templates from a third-party site as well, and then upload your template. So there are no restrictions when it comes to building a eye-catching, beautiful course that's also very functional. The next thing I wish I knew about Kajabi before I bought it was that you get an app. Yes, as soon as you become a Kajabi user, you automatically have access to the Kajabi app that you and your clients can both download from any app store and put it onto your phone. So there's no excuse not to access your courses and programs, and they can do it on the fly when they're going to the gym, commuting, whatever it is. And that is completely included with your your Kajabi subscription. The next thing I wish I knew about Kajabi was Kajabi's free university. To access this, we're going to go up to our profile and hit Kajabi University. From here, you will have a huge list of different courses to help you build your first course, build a website, build a profitable membership site, everything you need to learn about building your online business, from marketing, sales, funnel building, traffic, everything that you need. And it's not just from the people who work at Kajabi. This is also from leading experts like Graham Cochran over here, teaching you from his own experience how to build a highly profitable membership site. Another thing I wish I knew about Kajabi before I bought it was the email segmenting feature and how to actually use email segmentation in my business. Under the marketing tab inside of email campaigns, when you're ready to send an email broadcast, most people just run through the different prompts, select your recipients, edit content, and schedule an email. This is something I missed for a very long time. So I got more sophisticated. I had people in different email sequences where I only wanted them to get a certain set of email sequences, but the other people on my list that weren't inside of the email sequence were able to get my regular weekly broadcasts. So to make sure that they get that broadcast, I can go down here to all contacts, and this is everybody on your email list, or you can only send a message to your customers if you want to run a special promotion only to them. Kajabi will automatically compile everybody that's on your email list and segment them to different categories. For example, customers only. But where it gets really cool is you can go down to custom segment. You can select a filter, and from here, you have many different options on the type of people you want to send an email to. So if you didn't want to send people emails that were inside of a regular email sequence, for example, a welcome sequence when people just opt into your list, you can go down here to email sequence filters, is not subscribed to email sequence, and then you can pick whatever email sequence it is, hit apply, and that is only going to send emails to people that are not inside of this email sequence. And the best part is, if this is a regular thing, you always have new people joining your email list, you can always go to save this segment, and from here, you can call it something not subscribe to whatever the email sequence is. That way you know this is a custom segment that is only for people who are not subscribed to whatever that email sequence is, and it's automatically going to save it right here, and you can do that for as many sequences as you want. Another thing I wish I knew about Kajabi before I started paying for it was that you get access to this amazing community in Kajabi's Hero Community Facebook group. Now, most Facebook groups are free to join and they're filled with spam and not a lot of quality people. But the Kajabi Hero community on Facebook, I can only describe as being an elite group of people on Facebook, because in order to be inside of this group, you have to be investing in Kajabi. You have to be a Kajabi user. Now, to be a Kajabi user, people spend, $119 per month or $200 per month, or sometimes even more depending on the size of their business. And inside this group, there are so many high profile, amazing entrepreneurs that have been in business for decades. And then there's also people who are just starting out. This is a great place to connect with other Kajabi heroes. And if you ever have questions about Kajabi and want some hands-on help from real people using the platform, you can always ask any question you want about Kajabi. Within minutes, you will be getting flooded with responses from other Kajabi heroes wanting to support you on your journey. The ninth thing that I wish I knew before I bought Kajabi was how to better leverage landing pages to beef up and build your entire website. When you go to the website tab, you can go down to pages, and from here you get 15 website pages. You can always add a new website page as you please, but if you really want to get creative with this, you actually go over to landing pages, and in here you can have all sorts of different types of pages. You can start from a blank slate and create whatever kind of page you want, or you can use one of their templates for building a sales page that you want to add to your website for a different product or program that you have. You can even create a podcast page or a link in bio if you want it as well. They have custom thank you pages, opt-in pages, and even coming soon pages. But the cool thing is that you can customize these landing pages from the fonts, the colors, the layout, adding different features and sections to these pages like countdown timers or events if you wanted. And you can build your entire website just from landing pages, which a lot of people forget. And the last thing I wish I knew before I bought Kajabi was the Kajabi affiliate program. You only get access to it by being on the growth plan. It's the only thing I'm an affiliate partner for because Kajabi really takes care of their Kajabi partners. They give a very nice commission of 30%, whereas most companies, when you're an affiliate for them, they'll give you somewhere between 5 to 15%. When people sign up to use your Kajabi account through your link and they say, I love Kajabi, I'm going to keep using it, they are on a subscription and you get 30% of each monthly investment or yearly investment that they make. So if people sign up and are on the basic plan, you make right around $45 per month completely passive just by referring people over to this software. Now that's an incredible deal, but on top of that, they also have partner tiers. So every referral you make gets you closer to the next partner tier. And each time you level up, they celebrate you by sending you some pretty awesome rewards to show their appreciation. One thing I love about Kajabi is that they take care of their heroes. They want to see you succeed and they love giving you different rewards like badges, even hoodies that you get, and you can even get extra money to pay for a car payment. This is an amazing feature that I wish I started to leverage a lot sooner in my business. Now on that topic, if you are interested in trying out Kajabi, you can go through Kajabi's website and get a 14-day trial. But if you want to extend that up to 30 days, you can check out my affiliate link. It's down in the description, or you can go to profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi. Now there's no extra cost to you if you decide to use my affiliate link compared to if you went through Kajabi's website yourself. The difference is that you get twice the amount of time to play with the platform when you use my link. And on top of that, as soon as you sign up for your 30-day trial, I'm going to give you instant access to a course I created that's only 5 lessons called Kajabi Kickstart. And it's going to walk you through how to set up an entire marketing funnel and everything you need to know to skip all the guessing in Kajabi so you can really set up and launch your business on Kajabi in that first 30 days. And inside of Kajabi Kickstart, there's a link where you can book a one-to-one call with me where I will personally sit down with you. We can dive into Kajabi and I'll answer any questions you have about Kajabi, marketing, sales, growing your business, whatever it is. It's my gift to you. This is my big thank you for using my link. Again, there's a link down in the description, profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi. I'd love to hear from you down in a comment below. What do you like about Kajabi? Which one of the features that I shared with you today really stood out to you? And if you are a Kajabi user, I'd love to know down in a comment, what do you wish you knew before you started paying for Kajabi? I hope this was helpful and insightful for you, and I will see you in the next one.